Welcome to the Turkey, a land of mesmerizing beauty and captivating wonders. A land where ancient ruins stand tall amidst modern metropolises, where pristine beaches caress the turquoise Mediterranean, and where the East meets the West in an enchanting dance of culture and tradition. This beautiful country attracts millions of tourists every year. This captivating country offers a delightful blend of historic wonders, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. Let's talk today about the beautiful places of Turkey. Istanbul, the crossroads of civilizations. At the heart of Turkey lies Istanbul, a city that straddles the continents of Europe and Asia. Boasting a rich tapestry of history, this captivating metropolis enchants travelers with its stunning mosques, bustling bazaars, and timeless palaces. Wander through the magnificent Hagia Sophia, feel the spiritual allure of the Blue Mosque, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of the Grand Bazaar. As you stroll along the Bosphorus, you'll sense the city's unique character, harmoniously blending modernity with its ancient roots. Cappadocia, a fairy tale land of chimneys. Venture to the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, a region that seems straight out of a fairy tale. Here, whimsical rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, dot the horizon, creating a breathtaking backdrop for hot air balloon rides at sunrise. Explore the underground cities carved into the soft volcanic rock and stay in cave hotels that provide a truly unique experience. As the stars fill the night sky, you'll be captivated by Cappadocia's mystical charm. Pamukkale, nature's cotton castle. Behold the awe-inspiring wonder of Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish. This natural wonder features terraces of white mineral-rich deposits created by thermal waters flowing down the mountainside for millennia. The cascading travertines, seemingly sculpted by a divine hand, offer a surreal bathing experience. The nearby ancient Roman city of Hierapolis further enhances your journey into the past, with its well-preserved theater and necropolis. Ephesus. Walk amongst the ruins. Travel back in time to the ancient city of Ephesus, an archaeological marvel, and once a bustling metropolis of the Roman Empire. Wander along the well-preserved marble streets and marvel at the grandeur of the Library of Celsus. The magnificent Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, once stood here, leaving behind an enduring legacy for history enthusiasts to explore. Antalya, Turquoise Coast Bliss. Bask in the sun-kissed Mediterranean charm of Antalya, a coastal city renowned for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. As the gateway to the Turkish Riviera, Antalya offers an array of delights, from ancient ruins to charming old town alleys. Head to Konyaaltı or Lara Beach to indulge in the azure waters, or venture to the nearby ancient city of Purge to witness well-preserved Roman ruins. Turkey is a land of infinite wonders, where every step you take leads to a new chapter in history or a breathtaking natural spectacle. Whether you're an intrepid explorer, a history buff, or a beach enthusiast, Turkey promises an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the best places to visit in Turkey. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this videos, then like it and subscribe this channel for your next dream travel destination videos. And don't forget to press the bell button.